Hey, it's Pink Cat Crypto. Once you install the Blofin app on your account, you just open it up, and I'm just going to do a brief overview. So at the top, you see the B for Blofin, and then you'll see your account total. You can either view it or you can touch the eyeball to cover it up. Also at the top right hand, you can use the little scanner for scanning QR codes or searching for your crypto. You can hit deposit from this screen, and you can deposit money from your other accounts like Coinbase if you would like to. And just to look as an overview, you can buy crypto on this homepage: copy trade, activity center, affiliate news, rewards, earn, academy, referral, and demo trading. So demo trading is going to be very important for those who want to practice future trading. But we're going to go to rewards here, and I'm going to click on that little present, because once you make your first deposit from your account, Coinbase, or from your credit card, if you decide to use that method, you get to open up a mystery box. So I'm going to open up this box and see what I've won. Okay, rewards unlocked. I have 5 future bonus. So that's pretty cool. So I'm going to hit OK. So since I made my first deposit, let's see, exclusive for new users, win up to $5,000 USDT. So at my first deposit, I got a check mark. Complete my KYC1. I have not done that, but when I do that, I can earn up to $20. And then my first trade can earn me up to $50 if I do it within the first 6 days. And then my first copy trading, I can win up to $50 if I do that within the first 6 days. So for the $5,000 USD deposit blast off reward, so that's pretty good, I can click register to register for that. So I'm going to go ahead and back out of that. And underneath we have a banner going that kind of is doing advertisements and features of Blofin. And then so we see favorites under there, under the little banner that's moving. We see futures, which is what we're going to do here. Spot trading, which is normal what you do on other platforms like Coinbase. Gainers, losers, and new cryptocurrency. So we can scroll, and then we'll see that we can hit view more, so we can view more than these cryptocurrencies, or we can hit the search button at the top of the screen, and then we have announcements, any announcements you might have missed, or academy and news, so you can catch all that there, or you can click on view more if you want to view more. So at the bottom we see the home is the page that we're on. We can click on markets, and this shows you our markets here. We have favorites, futures, and spot, USDT-M, and it tells you all of the tokens up under all those names. You can look at all of them, or you can look at the hot ones, the meme, the RWA, the BRC20, trending, new, AI, ethereum staking, metaverse, DeFi, and all the other ones are all up under here if you just want to look for a specific token. And then futures is the one that I want to take a look at. So right now it's on Bitcoin, but I want to look at XRP. So I'm just going to type in XRP for my futures because I don't see it, and I'm going to click on it. Wow, XRP is trading at $2.34 a share. So, and you see at the top it says isolated, so you can touch on that, and it'll tell you cross or isolated, and you confirm which one you want. I do isolated because cross pulls from your entire wallet, and then you could do whatever leverage X trading you want. So right now mine's set on 3x. If I click on the drop down box for my percentage of my leverage, I have 3x. I think that's pretty safe. 3 to 5x. So you see, you can scroll and decide which percentage of leverage you want, and then you hit confirm. And then instead of doing a market order, I'm going to do a limit order because I like to choose the price that I enter a trade. And you see above that it says available. I have $211 available to start trading with. So what I'm going to do is since this market is going, you can see the price of XRP. It's at $2.37 now, which is just going really fast. So I'm going to set me coming in at 36.9. Whoa, it's going down. How about 36.1? Hopefully it picks me up. And the amount, let's see, I'm going to go with 100. Let's see how much 100 costs. 100 XRP at that price would be, you see the max is 268, the cost will be 78, and my liquidity price is $1.58. But I'm going to go a little bit lower than that. I'm going to say I only want to buy 50 because I'm just trying to show you guys how this is done. And so I am going to I'm going to go ahead and take that up to 36.89 just to get in here and show you guys. Reduce only, not going to do that. Take profit, stop loss, we'll do that after our order activates. So I went ahead and clicked on buy long because I want to long this, and I'm going to hit confirm. It gives me all my information. It's isolated 3x, 50 XRP at my order price at 2.336, and my liquidation at 159. So if I enter in, I'm trying to get in at $2.36, and then I'll hit confirm. And until my order activates, it will be over here in open orders. And so this is what the open order looks like. And I clicked on it. It says XRP. It says I'm going to order 50 XRP. None of them are filled right now. And I'm trying to get in at $2.36. And that's what it's showing now. But this thing is moving so fast, I might just have to come in and purchase an order right now just to get in to show you what an open order looks like. But while we're waiting, we can right here from here, if you're doing more than one crypto, you can hit hide all other ones. But at the top where you see that little wrapped around clock, if I click on that, it'll show you your order history, positions, your funding, and all that. So I'm gonna get back out of that, and because it's moving so fast, I am going to click on it and just try to set it for another price to come in at, and we're gonna get 50 XRP, and that's gonna cost me $39, and hopefully it'll activate so that you can see what it looks like. Now, if you really truly want to get in and it keeps on running and going really fast like this one's doing, you always can do a market order. So this is a limit order, but you can always do a market order to get in right away. So let's see if it's going to pick me up. One of my orders is, nope, it picked me up. So let me show you what it looks like when you get picked up. So it'll give you all the details of your order. It says that I have 50 XRP. I invested $39, and right now I am, P&L means profit and loss. Right now I'm up 12 cents, and my percentage of my profit and loss is 0.35. Entry price, I entered at $2.38. My market price that is listed, that is going at now, which is $2.38 and some change. And then my liquidation price is going to be $1.60. So if it goes down to $1.60, I will lose this $40, $39.77 that I invested. And if I want to close this position because I'm in profit, I can hit close, or if I have a lot of orders here, I can hit close all right here, or I can hit close all right above that little wraparound clock, or I can reverse the order if the order's not going in my favor and I'm longing it right now and I decided I want to short it because I'm losing and the market's dropping down, then I can hit reverse. And so that is some features that you can do. Also, up under my entrance price, you see TP and SL. That's my take profit and stop loss. I'm going to click on that, but I don't do trailing stops. So I'm going to hit that plus sign, and then I can tell it when I want to take profit. So right now it's giving me all the information that I just shared with you, but I also can come in here and tell it that I want to take profit at $3. If it hits $3, I'll be up 26.1%. And so at $3, if it goes to $3, I will gain $30.67 on my pretty much $40 investment. And so that's pretty good. Or I can put a stop loss if it drops below a certain amount, but right now I won't put a stop loss. I'm just going to put the confirm that I want to take profit. So here we go. I hit confirm, and once your order is confirmed, you go over to open orders, and you'll see it here in open orders that it's in red because I'm going to take, and you see the TPSL, my take profit / stop loss is in red. So it's saying that I will do my entire position at $3. If XRP gets to $3, I'll take my whole position and take profit on that. So that's how you do that. And so that's that in a nutshell. If you want to cancel your take profit, stop loss, or anything you have set to trigger an order like this order we set earlier to come in at $2.36, we can easily stop that. So by hitting cancel just the order that we want to cancel, or we can hit cancel all to cancel everything that's listed here. So I'm going to hit cancel all, so that it's going to ask me to confirm that I want to cancel, and the maximum they let you cancel at one time is 20. So I'm going to cancel everything. So I hit confirm, and you see all that is gone, and the only thing I have available is my open position. And you see now that I'm down 31 cents on my open position, and that's a 1.5% loss on my open position. But remember, doing a isolated 3x to 5x leverage is really safe. So next we're going to go on to, at the bottom of the screen, instead of futures, we're going to go to spot. I clicked on spot. It's going to show you Bitcoin. So I don't have any money here. So assets. So if I did have some tokens here, this is like playing on Coinbase or any of the other L-Bank or any of the other platforms. If I did own something, I had bought something, it would show up under assets. Now open orders will be the orders that maybe you set a limit order for that didn't activate. And then wallet, if you click on wallet, it will show you what you have in your wallet. It'll show you the total value of your wallet. It'll show you it as an overview. It'll show you sorry about that. It'll show you what you have in your wallet. It'll show you your funding, futures, spot, copy trading, which you can copy trade here too, and just some features here in your total value. You can either keep it visible or you can hide it by clicking on the eye. And so you can deposit from Coinbase or deposit any token by clicking on deposit, and then you can withdraw to your Coinbase account, and then you can transfer between accounts. So remember that before you make a trade doing futures trading, you will have to transfer from your funding, because anytime you deposit, like USDT would be what you need to deposit to trade here. You would have to go from your funding account to futures account, and then you would just hit max and hit confirm to do that. And then it has fund history. You can look at that. So that's Blofin in a nutshell. I'm going to go back to home, so we look at our home screen.
So Blofin is a one-stop shop for all of your crypto needs. In order to take advantage of over $700 in rewards, simply make your first deposit and use my Blofin link posted in the descriptions and pinned in the comments. Remember to like, subscribe, and comment. Thank you for watching.